Hello students, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's session that is related to class 8. We are discussing chapter 9 that is algebraic expression and identities. Today we'll discuss fourth exercise that is exercise 9.4. In the previous video we have discussed about multiplication of monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial. Okay, so in today's session we will discuss multiplication of binomial or binomials with trinomials. Process is same, but little bit there is a change. So here we discuss how we will solve the question. Just see here the first question of our exercise, that is we need to multiply the binomial. The question can be in any form. Multiply the binomial, find the product of, simplification. Okay, so just see our first question. Our first question is we have to multiply 2x plus 5 with 4x minus 3. Just see how we will write it. Our question was 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So how we have written it? First of all, we will multiply 2x with the whole bracket, then plus 5 with the whole bracket. Okay, just see how we have written. First of all, we will multiply 2x with 4x minus 3. Then we have multiplied plus 5 with 4x minus 3. We have to take the sign also. Be careful with the sign, otherwise our solution will be wrong. Now see, 2x multiplied by 4x. Okay, we will multiply 2x with 4x. Then we multiply 2x with 3 minus 3. So how we have written? Minus sign will plus minus minus. So 2x will be multiplied by 3. Then plus 5, it will multiply by 4x. Then minus sign and 5 will be multiplied by 3. So just see our result. 4 2s it is 8. And regarding x, we are having power 1, power 1. Power will be added, so we are having x to the power 2. Then minus 6x, it will be plus 20x and minus 15. Okay, now this is not our answer. Just see, in this, these two are the like terms, so we will solve it. So what we know regarding solving, that plus minus will be minus. So we will subtract 6 from 20 and answer will be the positive one because the sign of plus is with 20, that is the greater one. So our result is 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Okay, so similarly we will solve remaining of the question. One more question we will discuss this question, because whenever there is a question regarding the point or whenever there is a question regarding the fraction, you find lot of problem. On seeing the question, you think it as a complicated one. Okay, so just see how we will solve it. For example, this is a question where we are having this 3 upon 4 as fraction, or here 2 upon 3 as fraction. So just see how we will solve it. Instead of and, we have put the multiplication sign. Okay, then first of all we will solve this bracket. We will multiply this a square minus 2 upon 3b square with 4. Okay, then we will multiply the remaining of the term. Again, how we have doing? Just see, 3 upon 4a square and that to be multiplied by that complete bracket. Then plus 3b square, it will also multiply by that complete bracket. On multiplication, we are finding our answer. Here just see, these two are the like term. Okay, our at last we have to find out whether there is any like term or not. If there is no like term, then in that case that is your answer. If there is like term, then in that case you have to solve them. Okay, for example here we are having these two like term. So when we subtract 2 from 12, we are getting 10. Okay. Similarly, our next question number 2, it is a find the product. So it is also the similar one. We have to multiply it. So just take one of the question. For example, this fourth part we will discuss. Okay, here we are having the power as square also. So just see how we have solved it. Just see, first of all we multiply this p square with this 2p plus q. Then we have multiplied minus q with 2p plus q. Okay, one by one we need to multiply it. Now check the power of p. Here p is 2 and plus 1. So just see our answer. In answer we are getting power 3. Okay, p to the power 2 and q. So p square q. Q to the power 2 and p, then p q square. Just be careful, these two are not like term. It is p square q, and this one is pq square. Okay, and this is the minus sign, so minus is here. Again, minus will be multiplied minus q 3, k power 3. Okay, now see, this is our answer. But in algebra, we generally write the write the equation in the form of the powers in the descending order. Okay, if you write this upper line, this one is also correct, but this is the correct form how we'll write in algebra. Okay, so these two questions are there. Now see our third question. Third question is simplification. Simplification means whatever you get the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, you have to solve them. Okay, for example, first of all we will discuss our first question. Just see this one. It is, you have to multiply x square minus 5 with x plus 5 and plus 25. Just see how we have multiplied. Here we have written it directly. Let's see, x to the power 2 into x. What we are getting, x cube, because powers are added. Okay, then minus 5 will be multiplied by, sorry, this x square is multiplied by 5, so 5x square I am getting. Then minus 5 will multiply with this x, then minus 5x, and then 5 5s are minus 25, and plus 25 will be as it is. This plus 25 will be as it is. Now see, find out the like terms. In these three, no one is like term. Okay, and minus 25 plus 25 we are getting 0. So this one is our answer. Okay, so in the same way we will solve rest of the question. For example, I am having this question, this fourth part. Okay, just see, plus sign is there, plus sign is there, means three terms are there. First of all, we will solve our individual term. Okay, first of all we will solve individual term, then further we will solve it. Just see how we will solve. A multiplied by c, then a multiplied by d. Be careful regarding the sign. Then b multiplied by c, bc, b multiplied by d minus bd. So similarly, first of all we will open the bracket, we will solve individual terms. Okay, then we will check it out whether there is any like term or not. Once we have solved, just see, ac and plus ac, 2ac and 2ac, we are getting 4ac. Okay, 1, 2 and 2 plus 4. Now see, AD and AD, plus and minus cancel out. BC and BC, plus minus cancel out. BD and BD, plus minus cancel out. So remaining terms are cancel out, and our answer is 4AC. Okay, and similarly we will solve all our questions. Just see one more part if there is any confusion. Just see here this one, multiplication of trinomial with trinomial. Okay, here we are having the multiplication of trinomial with trinomial. This also we will solve the similar way. Okay, first of all you will multiply. What you will do, first of all what we do, we will multiply this a plus b plus c. Just see, and I will explain if you are not getting my point. Just see, first of all we will multiply this a with this term our, which one is, it is a plus b minus c. Okay, first of all we will multiply this one. Okay, then the same term we will multiply with b. Okay, first of all we will multiply this whole term with a, then we will multiply this whole term with b, then we will multiply this whole term with c. You are getting my point? Just see, here 3 terms and here also 3 terms. So first of all we will multiply this individual a with the whole term, then b with the whole term, then c with the whole terms. You can write down it individually also, or you can write down it directly in this way. Okay, you can write it directly also, no problem is there. If you are writing it directly also, there is no problem. Or you for your convenience, so that there is no mistake in your answer, you can write your answer in this way also. Okay, now multiply it, a into a square, a into b, ab, a into minus c. Be careful regarding the sign. So it is minus ac. Then ab, b square minus bc, ac, cb, and minus a square. Now check out the like term. A square AB and AB, 2AB. Minus AC plus AC cancel out. Minus BC plus BC cancel out. So what is our answer? What the answer I am getting? I am getting our answer as A square plus B square minus C square plus 2AB. Okay, so this is all regarding our exercise, that is exercise 9.4. In the next video we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 9.5. That exercise 9.5, it is also quite interesting. Before it we will discuss few of the identities. Okay, the identity is very important in algebra. In 8th standard you will study about it. In 9th and 10th, okay, the level will increase, but these identity will helpful for you in the further classes also. In class 9th also it is helpful for you, in class 10th also. So be careful, check it out properly. In the next session we will discuss the identities, a very important topic of algebraic expression. Okay, so just complete your work, complete your exercise 9.4 with the help of this video, and take care. Thank you.